Welcome to Business 110, Introduction to Business, Spring 2015, and this is the online section 0002. My name is Stephanie Grossman, and I'm going to be your instructor over the next 16 weeks. This class is completely online. This class is a lot of work, and I just want to make sure everyone is aware of that up front. This class is going to cover 20 chapters in 16 weeks. So there's going to be weeks you have more than one assignment due, or, every week you'll have more than one assignment due, but you might have more than one chapter due. So I want you to think of that as you're preparing for the semester and make sure you have the right time allocation to handle this class. If you have never taken an online class before, it is really important to be prepared. It goes fast and you don't have the bi-weekly or tri-weekly reminders for me in class. I try to do a lot of announcements, but if you don't log into Blackboard or email, your Wake Tech email, no one is going to tell you to do so. You have to submit one assignment per week or you'll be considered absent for that week. More than 2 absences or 2 weeks in a row where you do not do anything, you may be dropped from the class. So make sure to do work every week so you don't have that problem. A little bit about me. I teach both seated and online here at Wake Tech. I live in Raleigh with my husband, Matt. Prior to working at Wake Tech, I worked at SunTrust Bank in real estate and then a clinical research company. I completed my degree online, my MBA at ECU. So I do understand a lot of the online environment from a student perspective. I went to Georgia. I'm a big Bulldogs fan. I like to read, play tennis, and travel. I encourage you to follow me on Facebook or Twitter, and I've included my handle and website there. Okay. If you do nothing else this first week besides watch this video, I need you to take the course entry quiz. You must take the course entry quiz by January 16th, or you will be dropped from the class. That's not a me thing. That is a Wake Tech thing. If you take it early by the 11th, I'll give you 3 points of extra credit on exam 1. So please make sure you do that. I mean, it's a good, test 1, you might be a little nervous. So you got 3 extra credit points coming your way if you take it by the 11th. This quiz does not count towards your grade at all. But if you don't take it, you're going to be dropped. So please take it. I really would love it if just everyone took it and I didn't have to nag you and track you down. For this semester, I'm going to be using a service called Remind. I have an app on my phone for it. It also has web version. But basically I'll just be sending you a text message. It gives me a phone number and I'll send you a text message for reminding, right? So the only reason I'm going to use this semester is to remind you about your exam dates and then also remind you about the project. I'm not going to spam you with text. This is optional. I'm not going to require you to sign up for it. But I will not reopen an exam if you do not take it during the allotted time period. So, say you forget and then you didn't sign up for Remind, that's going to be it. Okay. So, I encourage you to sign up for it. This is how you sign up for it. The instructions, text 81010, and then the messages at BUS110-0002. Our textbook is Understanding Business. It's the 10th edition. You have 2 options basically for this. If you really like a physical textbook, then you can purchase the textbook and you can either purchase it with a bundle or purchase Connect Plus in addition to it. This class uses Connect Plus. You have to purchase Connect Plus. Now say, I don't really care about a physical copy of the textbook. Well, great. Then you can purchase just Connect Plus because it comes with a copy of the ebook. Okay. So if you want the bundle, that's the ISBN. If you want just Connect Plus, that's the ISBN. Okay. All right. Connect Plus, for each chapter, you're going to have a Learn Smart assignment and a case. Learn Smart is a web-based system where it really tries to get you to remember the material from the chapter. It uses predictive analytics, which means that it knows if you get question 2 wrong, you're likely to get question 7 and 8 wrong, and maybe you need to go back and study that section. I'm going to include a video to help you get set up. To sign up for the section, go to this link, or you can also access it by going to the individual assignment within Blackboard. And I'll do another video where I kind of show the navigation of Blackboard, but for our purposes, I just want to let you know that you can find it there. The book is separated into 6 units. You will have 5 unit tests. I will drop your lowest test grade. Now, that doesn't mean you should just not take test 1 because you can drop it, because you might, things happen and you don't want to kind of cut yourself short at the beginning of the semester. Okay. Each unit, I will assign a reflective paper. So I'll either post a website or a video or an article. And I want you, it's not a research paper, but about 250 words. And I want you to kind of summarize and use concepts that you learned in that unit in the paper. There's no additional research you have to do. You can do. But I think it's a good way to test yourself to make sure you know the material. There will be an individual project. It's due on 4/19. I'll post another video in the short future with details on that. The discussion board is mandatory for this class. I will post either an article, video, or synopsis, a scenario that you need to discuss. So each student will be required to make an initial post, right? And so for that, I expect usually anywhere between 4 to 6 well thought out sentences. Now, and then for the response, I expect 2 to 4 at a minimum. But just because you do 2 doesn't mean you're going to get 100 on the discussion board, because saying, I think you're right, good idea, is not really adding to the discussion, right? So you guys aren't in classrooms. So I want this to mimic how you might discuss something in the classroom. So that's it for this one. Like I said, I'm going to be posting some more videos, so I will post the links or add the YouTubes so you can see them. I'm looking forward to the semester. I'm looking forward to this class, and I hope you guys have a great day.